Atlanta still the affordable southern gem, or is it starting to feel more like New York prices? Let's take a closer look. First up, housing. If you want that energetic Midtown Atlanta lifestyle where you can walk to restaurants, coffee shops, and nightlife, be prepared to spend somewhere between $1,600 to over $2,000 per month for a one-bedroom apartment. That might sound high at first, but compared to cities like San Francisco or New York, that price is still considered relatively affordable. Utilities and transportation in Atlanta run about 2 to 4% higher than the national average. Gas can be a little pricier, and if you're using public transportation, a 30-day MARTA pass runs about $95. Groceries are only slightly higher as well, about 1% above the national average, so most residents don't feel a huge difference there. Dining out is also pretty reasonable. A typical meal at a mid-range restaurant will cost around $20 per person, which is still cheaper than many large cities. Atlanta has a huge food scene, from upscale dining to casual spots across the city. Now, if you want walkability, nightlife, and city energy, areas like Midtown and Buckhead are where many young professionals choose to live. These areas are vibrant and exciting, but they do come with a higher price tag. If you're looking for something a little more affordable while still being close to the city, neighborhoods like Morningside or Druid Hills can offer a great balance between lifestyle and price. Overall, Atlanta's cost of living is about 16% higher than the national average, but the good news is the median income is also about 16% higher, which helps many professionals make the numbers work, especially if they share housing or choose neighborhoods slightly outside the urban core. So, is Atlanta expensive? Compared to cities like New York or Los Angeles, Atlanta real estate is still considered a great value, especially when you factor in job growth, lifestyle, and the variety of housing options across the metro area. And that's where Bob Hale Realty comes in. Our team helps buyers explore Atlanta real estate and find homes that fit their budget, often using programs designed to help people purchase with as little out-of-pocket money as possible. Many buyers qualify for down payment assistance programs, home buying grants, VA loans, FHA loans, and other financing options that can make home ownership more accessible. So if you're thinking about buying a home in Atlanta, stay tuned, because right behind this segment, we're going to tour a home and show you what buyers are finding in today's Atlanta real estate market.
Let's tour this beautiful home brought to you by Bob Hale Realty.
Inside.
Follow us as we show you this magnificent home. supporting this home, brought to you by Bob Hale Realty.